If you're a black man still struggling to find the right beard style for your face, this video is for you. You've probably wondered why some beard styles work and others don't. But what if there was a simple way to match your face shape, aesthetic, and goals to the perfect beard? The wrong beard can hold you back, but the right one will set you up for 2025 with style and confidence. In this video, I'll show you how to do just that. I'm B with the Beard, a certified trichologist and beard specialist. Over the years, I've helped thousands of black men get the beard style that suits their face shape, lifestyle, and goals. Today, I'll walk you through a step-by-step system to help you find the perfect beard style, keep it healthy, and make it work for you every day. Let's get started. With step 1, identifying your face shape. You see, every great beard style starts with understanding the structure of your face. According to studies, balanced proportions influence how others perceive your confidence and appearance. By knowing your face shape, you can avoid styles that exaggerate unwanted features and choose one that enhances your natural structure in personal and professional settings. Without knowing your face shape, it's easy to pick a beard style that doesn't work for your features. This can lead to styles that overemphasize features you rather downplay, like a fuller beard, making a round face look even rounder, or sharp edges, making a square face look too harsh. These mismatched styles often leave you feeling less confident and less polished. Some men skip this step, thinking it's unnecessary or too complicated. By skipping it often leads to wasted time and frustration as you try to find a style that fits by trial and error. Instead of guessing, identifying your face shape ensures your beard works with your natural proportions and highlights your best features, whether that's a defined jawline or balanced cheekbones. To simplify, here are 3 things you must do to identify your face shape and find the right beard style. Take measurements, compare ratios, and match with a shape category. Let's walk through this step by step with an easy option for those short on time. To start, let's take a few quick measurements to identify your face shape. These will help match your beard style perfectly to your features. Here's what you'll need to measure: forehead width, cheekbone width, jawline width, and face length. Let me show you the right way to measure it. First thing we want to do is take some measurements. We want to start with the forehead width. You want to measure from the peak of one eyebrow arch to the other. Next is the cheekbone width. Measure the distance between the widest part of your cheekbones. And right after that is your jawline width. Now measure from the edge of your chin to the point below your ear, then multiply by 2. And last but not least, your face length. You want to measure this from the center of your hairline. Well, if you don't have your hairline, or maybe your hairline receded, just remember where your hairline was, so start there. You want to measure from the center of your hairline to the tip of your chin. Now you can use a flexible tape measure, and if you prefer a faster method, enter your measurements into the Omni Face Shape Calculator for instant results. Now that you have your measurements, let's compare your ratios. By asking a few key questions, you can determine your face shape and choose a beard style that complements your features perfectly. Are your cheekbones wider than your forehead? Is your jawline sharper or softer? Is your face length significantly longer than its width? These proportions determine your face shape, which is essential for finding a beard style that complements your features. Now that you've analyzed your measurements and compared your ratios, it's time to match your face shape. Let's go over the common categories to help you confirm your shape. By asking a few key questions, you can determine your face shape and choose a beard style that complements your features perfectly. Here's a quick overview of the common face shape categories and how to identify them. If you've used the calculator, you'll now have your face shape results. For those curious about common categories, here's a quick overview. If you have an oval shape, then your face length is greater than your cheekbone width and your jawline is rounded. If you have a square face shape, all your measurements are fairly similar with a strong jawline. And if you have a round face shape, then your cheekbones and face length are similar and your jawline is soft and less defined. Next is the diamond face shape. This means your cheekbones are the widest point and your forehead and jawline are narrower. If you find yourself with a heart face shape, then your forehead is wider than your cheekbones and your jawline tapers to a point. Now another key shape is oblong. Your face length is noticeably longer than your cheekbone width, forehead width, and jawline width, giving it an elongated and narrow appearance. Now this is seldom that you might find somebody with this type of face shape, but if you have a pear face shape, then your jawline is the widest point and the forehead is much narrower. Matching your shape is key to selecting a beard style that works with your features. Whether you're going for bold, balanced, or subtle, knowing your shape ensures you're on the right track. And you might be thinking, what if my face doesn't fit a specific category? Well, it's normal for your face to combine features of 2 shapes. Prioritize the most noticeable features. For example, if your jawline is much wider than your forehead, even with rounded cheekbones, then lean toward the pear shape. If your cheekbones are the widest feature, even with a narrower jawline, focus on the diamond shape. Use the balance of proportions to guide your decision. If your face length stands out, but your other features are balanced, lean toward oval. If your face is as wide as it is long, but your jawline is sharp, lean toward square. For an exact match or confirmation, use the Omni Face Shape Calculator to make it easier. Now you have a clear face shape. Let's move to step 2 and align your beard style goals with those unique proportions. Now, before you think, my beard is just a style choice, let's take a closer look. Think of your beard as an accessory that speaks for you before you say a word. Studies show that beards can signal traits like confidence, trustworthiness, and authority, but the way you style it determines how those signals come across. Aligning your beard style with your personal goals ensures you're making the impression you want, whether it's in the office, on a date, or out with friends. It's easy to feel overwhelmed by the number of style options. Your workplace leans toward business casual, and you're worried your rugged beard feels out of place. And what about strict grooming rules in settings like the military? Can a beard still look stylish while meeting regulations? The challenge lies in choosing a beard style that aligns with both your aesthetic and lifestyle. Get it wrong, and your beard can feel mismatched or out of sync with your overall look. But get it right, and you'll feel polished, confident, and unmistakably yourself. To simplify this process, your beard style should align with 3 key elements: your face shape, personal aesthetic, and lifestyle goals. These elements create a blueprint that ensures your beard reflects who you are while seamlessly fitting into any environment.
Now let's get practical. Finding your beard aesthetic starts with visualizing your goal.
Here's the blueprint for finding your personal style. So how do we do this? Ask yourself, what does my daily life look like? Do I need a polished look for work or something bold for the weekends? Does my beard need to transition between different aesthetics? I will highlight a few categories and wait to the end because I have something special for you that you can draw inspiration from.
For an old money aesthetic, go for a well-groomed beard or refined stubble. This matches the polish and understated luxury of the style. For streetwear, consider an angular chin strap or defined goatee to add structure and edge, or full beard with sharp fades for versatility. For a smart casual look, a short, well-groomed beard with soft edges works perfectly. It balances professionalism with relaxed elegance.
Now that you got your goals and aesthetics sorted, let's tie it all together by matching your style and your face shape. This is where the fun really starts. Step 3, it's all about connecting the dots. You see, matching your face shape with your personal goals refines the details, length, fullness, and even the neckline. Studies of facial geometry show that angular beards can elongate a round face while rounded edges soften a strong jawline. By pairing your unique proportions with a clear style direction, you're not just choosing a beard, you're crafting a look that elevates your entire presence. Some might think, I've tried matching my beard to my face shape before and it didn't work. It just looked off. The truth is, small details like the wrong length or neckline can throw off the balance. For instance, going too short on a round face can make it look even fuller, while an overly sharp beard on a square face might feel too harsh. Others wonder, will adjusting my beard style actually make a noticeable difference? The answer is yes. When your beard complements your proportions, it not only frames your face better, but also enhances the features like a strong jawline or balanced cheekbones. For those worried about looking too extreme, like making your face seem too long or too round, this blueprint is designed to create harmony, not exaggeration. This approach saves you time, avoids frustration, and ensures your beard works for you, not against you.
Now let's get practical. Here's how to combine your face shape and aesthetic goals to create your perfect beard. I'll walk you through the key steps here. And for a full breakdown of every aesthetic, beard style, and face shape, wait to the end. I have something special for you.
Matching your face shape to your personal aesthetic is the foundation for creating a beard that works for you. Let me show you how it works with a few examples. For a round face, a fuller beard with a fade at the sides and length at the chin balances proportions and adds structure. It's a perfect match for the rugged, confident vibe of the workwear aesthetic. For a square face, a slightly rounded full beard softens sharp angles for a clean, modern look. An excellent fit for the minimalist aesthetic. These are just 2 examples of how face shapes and aesthetics work together, but there's so much more to know. And if these different styles don't 100% match up to what you want and what you like, then adjust the length and the angles. And to do this, shorten the sides to slim the face, or grow out the chin to add length. Use clean lines and fades to create smooth transitions between the beard and hairline for a polished look. And then test and refine. Make small tweaks or taper in the edges to ensure the style fits your features and preferences. If a style doesn't feel right, adjust the fullness or angles to balance the proportions. Here's the bonus I promised you. After everything we covered, you might be wondering how to tie it all together. That's why I developed the Beard Style Guide, a simple, customizable tool that combines your face shape, style goals, and grooming needs into one chart. It's designed to help you make confident style decisions without second guessing. I've already shared it with some of the fellas and they love it because it's more than just a style guide. It's tailored to your unique features and lifestyle. Whether you're planning a new look or refining your current style, the Beard Style Guide is your go-to resource. You might be thinking, isn't this just another generic style guide? Here's the difference. This matrix is backed by your measurements, your personal goals, and the tailored tips we've covered in this video. It's like having a personal beard consultant at your fingertips. With the Beard Style Guide, you have one comprehensive tool to eliminate guesswork. It evolves with you, adjusting as your style goals or hair growth patterns change. It's the ultimate reference for keeping your beard on point every day. Now that you nailed down your blueprint, matching your face shape, style, and goals, it's time to take things up a notch. But have you ever wondered why your beard isn't making your round face look sharper, or how subtle adjustments can make any face shape stand out? Click the next video to learn the key tweaks that enhance your style, starting with round faces and tips that apply to everyone.